Hey, welcome back to MarineMax Lake Norman, North Carolina. My name is Leo Johnson, and today you join me in front of a new in-stock 2026 Yamaha boats AR250. This is a great boat for the whole crew. 24'6" overall, comes on the tandem axle galvanized trailer that you see here. The AR series boats are going to have the water sports tower with integrated bimini that you see up top. This is an amazing boat for the family. This one's in the nice, sleek black hull color. Coming around back, one of the selling features on these Yamaha boats is going to be this huge swim platform here. You've got multi-tiers with the foam decking as well. On the AR250, you're going to have rear-facing speakers as well as a controller right here for your stereo. Plenty of cup holders for the whole crew, as well as a table mount over here on your port side. Got a 12-volt plug up next to your speaker over there for some water toys, and then of course a telescoping ladder right here in the middle. Let's climb aboard and check out the interior. As we step inside this AR250, it's immediately apparent this boat is laid out and set up for the family. One thing I want to point out here on the swim platform is you've got storage under your seat backs here, as well as great access to your clean out ports under this hatch. Coming further into the boat, all of the AR series boats are going to have this snap-in woven mat here. Can be removed and cleaned. It's really nice on your feet. Great storage underneath the seats here. Get your battery switches on this side. Some general storage here on the starboard side. All of these AR250s are going to come with the 1.9 liter naturally aspirated Yamaha jet propulsion engines. Great power package for this boat. Very quiet, very comfortable, very smooth power delivery, and it's a great pairing with the AR250. As we walk further forward, you're going to have two captain's chairs on this boat. Both swivel slide and recline, and your driver's going to have a flip-up bolster. Yamaha Connext screen there in the middle with a wireless phone charger off to the right. You're also going to have the no wake assist and volume knob right below, and your throttles there for your twin 1.9s. Over on the port side, you've got a double glove box here. Nice top and bottom section with some additional mesh storage here next to your passenger chair. Plenty of cup holders as well through the boat. You see a couple more up here and on the side. And the big upgrade on the 25-foot over the 22-foot AR series is the storage and head compartment here on the side. Great place to put a porta potty or just use for general storage. This boat's also going to have a very large center ski locker here. We've got the cover in there at the moment, but this is a great place for all kinds of things. Walking forward, we're going to have a flip over windshield, as well as a block off door that's integrated into your underhelm storage here. In combination with the windshield, isolates you a little bit from the elements while you're back there, especially on those cold mornings out on the water. Coming up to the front, you saw the bow filler cushion in the head compartment there. That fills the space in very nicely. You've got lots of storage under these seats as well on both sides. Cup holders for your forward passengers. And then you're also going to have a step up here to your bow boarding ladder and anchor locker combo. This is one of my favorite features on these 25-foot Yamahas. Tons of space up here. It's very comfortable. You got nice stainless steel grab rails throughout the boat. This is an amazing boat for the family. Great option for those looking to do a little bit of everything. Give us a call, check us out at MarineMax.com, or stop by today to check out this AR250 in person. Thanks for watching.